Welcome, in front of me is a MatePad T10s, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. And starting off, you want to hold the power key. From here, select power off. And wait for the device to shut off. Now, once it has, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. And you will hold them till you see the recovery mode. And as you can see, we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, tap on clear data and choose wipe cache partition. And there we go, now the process is finished. So let's go back and restart the device, and this will take us back to the Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.